Hear it? Go my garage. Bump back with another little small little video. Got the Camaro out here. Put the top down on it. So now, I'm finna have to do some interior changes, man. We're not finna be able to go with this gray interior with this green paint job. Y'all already know that. So I ordered some black carpet. Ordered me some black carpet for the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some black carpet in here. I'm gonna try to use some fabric, some black fabric spray on these inside pieces on here. I don't know about my doors, but all this other stuff, I'm gonna use the black fabric spray, them little kick panels and all that over there. I don't know about my door panels though. I don't think that that spray gonna look right on there. I might have to get those done. But for right now, I can do these little pieces up in here and put some black carpet in here. But that's exactly what it needs. Look what Stonewall Collision did to my carpet. This the paint shop did. Ain't nothing though, I could clean that, but I'm finna put the black in here though. That's what motivated me really to do it. The paint shop just fucks up everything. Look at this. Man, they did a shitty ass job on that repair. Look. This Stonewall Collision. They think I'm finna be in my videos recommending they motherfucking asses. I wouldn't recommend a dog go to these motherfuckers, but it's the only place in Michigan. These niggas I ain't finna be paying no motherfucking niggas no $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for these paint jobs. Cause it ain't even, at the end of the day, ain't nothing but a fucking car, man. But I wouldn't recommend going to this place that I be going to. I wouldn't recommend nobody go there. That's why I don't be giving their asses no motherfucking shout outs. Cause they painter is trash. I don't give a fuck, that nigga's trash. That nigga do not know how to paint no motherfucking cars, man. All my paint jobs, they okay. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I gotta get what I can get. You gotta get what you can get, man. But these ain't the quality paint jobs that y'all think they is. Stonewall Collision be doing some old half-ass motherfucking shit, man. You gotta, every one of these cars that I got painted by them, I had to take back 2 and 3 times to get shit where they left or didn't paint. You know what I'm saying? So that's another, 3 or 4 days gone, my car gone, fucking with them after I get it back because they forgot to do some shit. They just stupid. And that painter here, I guess he's jealous because I be bringing cars in all the time, so he be hating on me, I guess. So that's how that shit be going. Look behind my tag on the Chrysler. They didn't even paint behind the tag. They just left the tag on, I guess taped off on the tag and just painted. So we got to take this back and drop it off again. Now we ain't got our car again for them to paint behind the tag like they were supposed to do the first time. This video wasn't about Stonewall Collision, but it turned out to be about these raggedy motherfuckers, dude. I'm tired of them. If I have any motherfucker problem with my truck, we gonna have to sue them motherfuckers, man. They think we gonna get a goddamn lawyer and sue their ass for all these whack-ass paint jobs, nigga. But at the end of the day, man, it'll work for me. It's just the car and it look way better than what it did, so I ain't out here complaining. And for the price, I can't fucking beat it. But for the price, I paid my money. So I expect, you know what I'm saying? Y'all up to advertising about painting and shit, nigga. Y'all motherfuckers can't half-ass paint every goddamn thing you do, nigga. And in that rim in real life, it look like it's got a coat of primer over the top of it. They just some idiots up there, dude. They painter is trash. I say that shit 1,000 times. That motherfucker trash. But they don't want to pay nobody, so they gonna keep that trash ass motherfucker up in there. But yeah, man, these trash ass motherfucking Stonewall Collision paint jobs, man. Trust and believe. They painted my Corvette too. That shit trash, but it looked good. You know what I'm saying? They got a little 5-year warranty or whatever, man. That 5-year warranty ain't shit. They gonna come up with some kind of excuse in 5 years, in 2 years of why they can't paint it and you gotta pay some more money. But yeah, let me think, did I have to take this one back? I don't know if I had to take my Corvette back or not. But I know I definitely had to take all of these cars back to these motherfuckers for a second round. Because all they do is fuck up. But like I said, It's good enough. I'm gonna learn how to paint myself. That's what I need to do. I need to learn how to paint my damn self so as I can not have to deal with them motherfuckers, man. Because it's ridiculous. And I ain't taking my car all the way to Detroit, dropping it off in Detroit, doing all of that shit. I know some good painters in Detroit. I know damn well there's some good painters in Detroit. But I ain't got shit. I don't know nobody in Detroit. I don't know none of them niggas up in Detroit. Running good. Like, look at the little side pieces, man. Look at this. This is Stonewall collision. Look at that. That's them painting though, bro. For real. Like, that's that type of shit right there. Like, I could take it that back and complain, and they gonna fix it. But then they got my motherfucking car again up there getting oversprayed because they not gonna take nothing off. They just gonna start spraying again. That shit used to be solid chrome, bro. Look at the overspray on my valve covers. All my engines got overspray. I popped the hood on this motherfucker right here. Let me show you right now. I had all chrome new shit under here. When I got it back from Stonewall Collision, that motherfucker shit was a hazy motherfucker color. Primer over that motherfucker made sure he got primer on my shit under here. Jealous. Primer. Nigga got jealous as fuck, man. That motherfucker be jealous when I bring these cars in there. I'm telling you. Look at all this overspray, all this primer and shit all over this. All of this stuff was clean as a motherfucker, man. That's the bad side of them raggedy motherfuckers up there, man. They ain't even paint under here. Look, I just now noticed they didn't even paint under here. See, this is the type of shit they do. And I paid for this shit to get painted. Do y'all see that painted? Man, Stonewall Collision in Burton, Michigan, that shit's trash, dude. Do not go there. I do not recommend them. This is the last car I'm finna have these motherfuckers do for me, man. My Escalade. And if that bitch ain't right, we getting a fucking lawyer on these motherfuckers, dude. And I'm gonna show them all my motherfucking paint jobs and show them how they did all my shit. And we gonna come up with some kind of resolution on these bitches since they think it's a game. Sue them stupid ass motherfuckers, man. But y'all just stay tuned for the Escalade to come back. Let's see how them motherfuckers do on the Escalade. Let's see if they fucked that up. But they some unrecommendable motherfuckers. My cousin wanted to go up there. I told that motherfucker, nigga, go up there at your own risk. You know what I'm saying? Be prepared to argue with the motherfuckers. Be prepared to do all of that. Cause the motherfuckers stupid. They totally stupid. They need to get a new painter in there because that nigga trash. I see all kind of white. When I walk across here, you still look at the gray. He didn't even take the taillight covers off. Look at the gray right behind the taillight cover. So if I take my taillight covers off, it'll be all gray back there. Look. That's garbage, man. They garbage. Look, they didn't even paint back there. They garbage. This bitch got to go back any motherfucking ways because of this. I'm not rocking with that nigga. So now the car gone again. Another half a paint job. But if you look at right here where I originally took it back because they forgot to do it around here because the top was up. They didn't call me and tell me how to let the top down or nothing. But look how they did it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but you can still see the gray right across here. It's like they just like took a one of those misting pens and just did it in with the green. Didn't even try to get it right. But we're gonna get all of that taken care of, man. And I just wanted to rage about them raggedy motherfuckers. It wasn't even about them, but it started off to be them because I'm sick of them dirty motherfuckers, man. And they whack ass painter. So go mouth out, man. Do not go to motherfucking Stonewall Collision, Brighton, Michigan. Do not go where I go. They paint jobs ain't worth a fuck. And now they talking about they under new management. Night prices going up to $39. Man, if a motherfucker pay $39.99 for a paint job, for you motherfucker nigga will tear this motherfucker down, nigga. For sure. There'll be a bunch of dreadhead niggas in your motherfucking lobby, nigga. Done with the motherfuckers after this, bro. I promise you. After I get my truck back, y'all, I'm done with it. I'm done. I'm out of that painting shit. But we're gonna fix these cars up and deal with these, and we're gonna put them motherfuckers in our past. So the new slogan is, fuck Stonewall collisions. Go, my fault.